welcome you all. Let's begin with the 5th unit of GK जिसका नाम है birds grid. So here you have been given a grid जिसमें बहुत सारे birds के नाम छुपे हैं. So you have to find out the names of those birds, right? So the statement is given. Can you find the names of the given some birds in the grid? हमें इस grid में से कुछ birds के नाम निकालने हैं and take help from the clues given below and encircle them. और इस ग्रिड के साथ साथ हमें यहाँ पर कुछ क्लूज भी दिए हुए हैं जिन्हें पढ़कर हम लोग बर्ड्स के नाम इजीली सर्च आउट कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट वन. द फर्स्ट क्लू इज अ बर्ड व्हिच काउज. एक ऐसी बर्ड जो काउ की साउंड निकालती है, काउ साउंड. So I hope crow is the correct answer for this, and in the grid we can see crow here, right? So let's highlight this word. It is crow. Next, the second statement, the second clue. A pigeon-like bird, its name rhymes with love. एक pigeon जैसी bird जिसका नाम कुछ love से rhyme खाता है. So I hope dove is the correct answer for this statement, and we can see dove here. So let's highlight the dove. Next, a small bird that can be commonly found in our neighborhood. एक ऐसी bird जो हमें commonly हमारे neighborhood में भी दिख जाती है. It is a small bird, हमारे आसपास के area में हमें दिख जाती है, right? So the correct answer for this is sparrow, I guess, and sparrow we can see here. Sparrow is written. Next comes a bird which shares. Sorry, the fourth. Okay. Next statement, the fourth one. Large birds that eat dead animals. Large birds, बहुत बड़ी birds होते हैं जो क्या खाते हैं? They eat the dead animals, right? So the answer for this correct statement is vulture, and we can see vulture over here, right? Next comes a bird which shares its name with a country. एक ऐसी bird जो अपना नाम एक country के साथ share करती है, right? Here in the images we can see turkey is the bird which shares its name with a country, and we can also find turkey in the grid. Next, a bird that never builds its own nest, right? So एक ऐसी bird जो अपना nest कभी नहीं बनाती है, वो दूसरों के nest में जाकर रहती है. So I guess cuckoo is the correct answer, and we can also see cuckoo here in the grid. Next comes fish-eating bird with large bill and a throat pouch. एक ऐसी bird जो बहुत बड़ी होती है, it has a large bill and a throat pouch. उसका जो गला होता है, it is looking like a pouch. Its shape is just like a pouch. So I guess pelican is the correct answer for this, and we can also see pelican here in the grid, right? Next comes birds which makes holes in trees to find insects. एक ऐसी bird जो wood में अपनी beak मारकर छेद करती है ताकि वो insects को ढूंढ सके, right? So woodpecker is the correct answer. Woodpecker we can also find in the grid. That's all with this unit, and I hope you all are clear with the birds and you got to know more information, you got to know more about these birds. So that's all for today. Let's finish it here, and thank you so much.